Well, it's getting warmer outside and it's daylight longer, so you know what that means. It's time to start cooking for the spring season. Welcome to Whole and Healthy Cooking with Chef Val. I am Chef Valerie Wilson. I've been teaching healthy, whole foods cooking classes since 1997. I am the author of 5 cookbooks and I teach cooking classes on a regular basis. You can find out about all that I have to offer on my website, macroval.com. I have been teaching for 25 years, and I always teach recipes that have to do with the different seasons according to the 5 transformations of energy. And right now, we are headed into the spring season. So it's a lighter energy because in the winter, it's a more dense energy. In the summer, the sun starts to come out more. We start to become more active and we want to go outside. So we need to lighten up our food choices. We start cooking with the signature whole grains of springtime, which are barley, oats, wheat, and rye. All of these lighter energy whole grains actually have a cleansing property to them, which is fantastic because in the springtime, your body goes through a natural cleansing process to get rid of some of the excess heavier foods that we ate in the wintertime. Now, the signature flavor for springtime is sour. Most people think of lemons when they think of the sour flavor. And you can use a little bit of lemon juice to enhance your dishes to give you that wonderful flavor. But we also have naturally fermented foods that have that wonderful sour flavor, such as one of my favorite ingredients, umeboshi plum paste. Now, if you're unfamiliar with the umeboshi plum paste, you can go on my Patreon group, Chef Val's Whole and Healthy Patreon group, where I have lots of cooking videos and I explain different ingredients, such as this one right here that is one of my favorites. We also have naturally fermented sauerkraut. It has that beautiful sour flavor, right? Now, all the foods that have that sour flavor feed and nurture the organs that are associated with the springtime, which are your liver, your gallbladder, and your nervous system. So again, all organs that help your body cleanse. And by the way, according to the 5 transformations of energy, this springtime that we're going through is known as the tree energy phase. And what happens in the springtime? And what happens to trees? Well, they start to bloom. Everything starts to turn beautiful and green outside. So you can also start emphasizing green foods at this time, such as I have some beautiful turnip greens here, but parsley, all of the natural green things, they help your body cleanse. They're full of chlorophyll. Chlorophyll cleanses the body. Now, some other vegetables that are associated with springtime, let's see, green beans, and one of my favorites, asparagus. I love asparagus. You can steam it, you can put it in soups, you can put it in stir fries. Make sure you watch my video all about asparagus so you can learn more about asparagus. I do have a cookbook called Healthy and Delicious Cooking Spring Season. It features recipes that associated with the spring season incorporate the natural sour flavor, and they use all these ingredients that I've mentioned so far. And you can find the cookbook on macroval.com. And if you want to learn more about cooking for the spring season, on Saturday, April 23rd, I am teaching my Healthy Cooking Seasonal Spring webinar. And I'm cooking with Chef Michelle Williams. And we are going to make delicious, healthy, whole foods recipes. And by the way, they're all vegan, based in macrobiotic principles, using ingredients according to the 5 transformations of energy. Now, this webinar is from 10 in the morning till 2:30 in the afternoon. That's Eastern Standard Time. And we're expected to have some special guests giving presentations during the webinar also. So again, for more information, make sure you go to the website, macroval.com. Thank you so much for tuning in. Remember, your journey to eating healthy begins with one small step. Let's take that small step together.